Good morning. Happy Saturday, everybody. You finally get to see the face behind the voice of the videos. Please excuse my hair. It needs some tender loving care. So I'm going to do an office tour, a smallish office tour this morning. I'll do a better one later on. But for now, starting with me. I'm part of the office, obviously. And I am currently sitting at my desk, uploading a video to YouTube while I do this video. I'm going to turn the camera around to do the tour, but I just wanted to pop on with my face and show you all what I look like. So, let's get started. Okay, so I am now showing my office. I am starting here with my Sublimation Printer. It's got a hat on it that I made. Gotta love it, mom life. And that is available if anybody would like it. Sublimation paper. A couple of bags. They are drawstring style bags. Sorry about that. This is available if anybody wants it. It literally just says, just another manic mom day. I have other colors. I have my other sublimation paper for dark fabric. My sublimation magnets for the car, the fridge, or whatever. And then my printer. It is off at the moment. But that is my sublimation printer and stuff. Now if I could just get my hands to work this morning, it would be great. Okay, and then right next to it is my regular printer that I do my cardstock and stuff on. I have my Chromebook up here, my sticker paper, my cardstock, my regular paper. Basically, I have all that stuff on top of the printer. Again, it is off at the moment because I am not currently using it. I leave them off when I'm not using them and only turn them on when I need to. Then down here I have storage. I have a box of stuff that I have business supplies in that I need to go through. Same here. Box of stuff I need to go through. This is shipping double mailers. And then my table here where I do some of my work. I have my really good camera here that I've used once for a video, which I will, now that I finally got it working again, I'm going to start using it. My other phone here I use as a backup video camera. My Freshie tray and stuff. And this is the one I did yesterday. My phone stand. I love this little thing. I got this at Dollar Tree in the $5 section. And it's amazing. And it does adjust. A cup that I'm going to be doing at some point. I have no clue what I'm going to do. My calendar. No, it's not filled up just yet, but it'll get there. It'll be for business and everything else. So I still have to. I'm going to start it fresh in September, so one of these days maybe I'll do a video, an updated video, and you'll see my video schedule. My computer where I do my YouTube uploads. As you can tell, I have got one uploading. It'll be done about 2 hours and 16-ish minutes. So maybe about 2.5 hours. Sometimes it likes to, jump up. Okay, so there's that. An overview of my desk. Here are the freshies I made yesterday. Available. Another project I'm working on still. I'm going to be finishing it up today as well. My desk is a little cluttered, but it's functional for me. I know everything's at. My business cards. And I'll be making some more of those today as well. My fall release stuff that I'm going to be doing for Halloween fall time frame. My sublimation tumblers. Oh, I love this stuff. I love my tumblers that I do. Especially that one. I love Johnny Depp. He's awesome. So, just a little overview. And then down here, I've got other tumblers that I do. The blue one right here is available and ready to go. I have a few I'm still working on. But that's that, or that part anyways. And then down here on this shelf are my tumblers that I still have available to be able to do stuff on. I have 30 ounce, 20 ounce, 16 ounce, and 12 ounce. I also have 12 ounce sippy cups that have the extra lid to it. Over here is where my cricket's at. I noticed that's on it. That's just I just store places where I can at the current moment. And then this right here is my everyday wallet that I use. Double-sided. I love this thing. My Jack and Sally wristlet where I literally just, and that's literally how I carry it. And then all of my stuff. And that is my Tumblr Press where I do my sublimation tumblers. It just opens like so. Inside I have my heat gloves, my silicone wraps for my cups, and then it just goes down like so. I've got my big heat press here, which you guys have seen. They're both unplugged, they're both off, and they're both shut and put away for the moment. I have storage down underneath of stuff. And then over here I've got my rhinestone gemstone things back there. And then all of this is business supplies, everything from sublimation stuff to hand sanitizers to keychains to the whistles to my chapsticks. I have a cup turner down there. I have my gloves and stuff here. And then down here is where I have some other stuff. Ignore some of it. I have 2 boxes I'm getting ready to send out to a couple of ladies to help me out. This is my business binder where I keep all of my business information. So, and then just freshies and stuff I haven't yet put away. And this is my glitter drawer and extras. And this is organized for me, so it might be a little messy, but it's still organized for me. And this is my other glitter drawer, still organized for me. My oven for doing my freshies. It is off and it's unplugged. My other cup turner, so that you guys sometimes see where I'm doing my freshies. That is hand sanitizer, but it's out of the way. Then up here behind these 2 doors are the rest of my stuff. So what I have anyways. I have some stuff that's out because I'm using it. But this is where I keep my fragrances for my freshies. And then up there is where I keep my freshies after they've been, or after I do the fragrances on them. And then over here I have my Tumbler Supplies, the spray adhesive, my another thing. That blue bottle is actually for shirts and stuff for sublimation, so I can spray the cotton ones and be able to sublimate on those. I have a lint roller, and then I have, right there are straws for my tumblers. And yeah. And then give me just a small second. Over here is where I have my shirts. I have some stuff there that I need to get done, put away, organized, you know. But this is where I keep my shirts. I even put the ones that I've made up here as well. So I have a few that are done, but I have a lot that are available. And then over here, excuse a little bit of this mess, I'm still organizing and putting stuff away. I have tumblers. I have water bottle style tumblers. I have pink, blue, and silver. And then I have these style tumblers. I have my cold cups. This one is done, is actually available. My acrylic cups that I do. And then I have this one lonely sublimation tumbler. It is glow in the dark. And then I have one sublimation tumbler in the box right there. And yeah, then I have some more down here. And so that's my business, my office, at least what I can show for now. So if you guys have any questions about anything, please do not hesitate to ask. And if there's anything you want to see better, let me know. Like, I have a idea coming up that's going to include showing these off one by one and showing the telling details about everything on a video. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.